Join us today on a tour of Bay Point Landing, a luxury bayside RV resort, as I walk you through the park's amenities and Andy takes us on an aerial tour to show you the big RV sites for big rigs, without the big price tag. In the description below the video, I will share the links to the park and how to get a discounted price on your stay at Bay Point Landing. No promo codes needed. By the way, next week's video, we will be taking a twisty ride up the coast to visit some cool breweries. But for now, let's check out this resort at Coos Bay. This is where we enjoy the ride. So come on, let's go. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. If you like videos with cool motorcycle rides, occasional mods, or RV related videos, this is the place for you. This is where we enjoy the ride. Please consider subscribing, hit that like button and the bell icon to be notified on our next ride. Now let's get to the featured presentation. The climate-controlled pool room features a heated saltwater pool with beautiful views of Coos Bay. It's the perfect place to unwind with a soak, do some laps, or a place to escape the rainy days the Pacific Northwest has to offer. The Cove Lounge is a great place to enjoy a hot bowl of fresh clam chowder from the food truck and take in the breathtaking sunsets. In the activity room, you can meet up with friends and family to play a game of shuffleboard or Scrabble, or just hang out with a good book on the comfy sofa. After visiting the general store for snacks or beverages, you can enjoy them on the terrace by the fire pits. Everything you need to stay in shape is in the modern fitness center with Peloton bike, treadmills, and elliptical machines, along with dumbbells and medicine balls for your strength training, all with a bay view. Just down the terrace walk, you can freshen up in the shower room. There are 2 additional bathhouses with laundry facilities, one at the north end of the park near the cabins and Airstream suites, and one at the south near the RV sites. For the kids, young and old, there's a playground with monkey bars, a couple bocce ball courts, and horseshoe pits. Also, a communal fire pit to get to know your RV neighbor. The event space is the perfect place for your special day.
The 1,800 square foot pavilion can be easily converted to an open air venue by simply opening the garage style doors. For the adventurous folks, right across the bay are the dunes to explore and play around.
I love you, baby.
I love you too. Even if I am an idiot.
If you are like us, we like to explore the local restaurants and watering holes. And Coos Bay's Seven Devils Brewing Ale House did not disappoint, with 2 locations, with one at the waterfront and one in the old town of Coos Bay. If RVing isn't your thing, Bay Point Landing has modern cabins and Airstream suites to offer. Fully furnished with plush linens, luxury soaps, shampoo and conditioner, and a kitchenette equipped with all your needs. That's it for this episode of Belle's Rides. Thank you for watching. See you here next week on a fun ride to some cool breweries. Until next time, enjoy the ride.